See, these all my lectures will change your life if you take it to the heart. नहीं तो देखो ना, एक मटका है ना, उसके ऊपर हमने उसको औंधा रख दिया और उसके ऊपर हमने पानी छोड़ दिया. मैं साल भर का 10 साल तुमको सिखाते रहूँ, उसमें पानी तो बढ़ने वाला नहीं. बढ़ेगा क्या? नहीं. मगर वही मटका अगर मैंने सीधे से रख दिया और मैंने टैप है ना एक एक ड्रॉप छोड़ना शुरू कर दिया, कभी ना कभी तो बढ़ेगा ना. सो कीप योर मटका open. What requires to become ordinary to extraordinary? Just a word extra that makes you extraordinary. So to add the word extra to the ordinary, what you have to do is you have to do the extra, then you will become extraordinary. What extra thing you have to do? You have to do the extra thing that you are not used to do. The simple formula. If you want that your life should have a revolution totally, your downside up, total revolution if you want, in a good direction if you want to go, then what you have to do is just you have to do something extra what you were doing. Think good, do good, act good, behave good. That's all. Your result will be good. Got it? You have all the potential required. See, when the God has created you, He has given all the potential which are necessary to survive. Not only to survive, but to excel, to go to the highest possible level in the sky. That He has bestowed with every individual. Then why some people are lacking and why some people are going ahead, excelling ahead? The reason is they are not using their potential to the extent they have to be used. Got it? And the reason for this they are not using because they have seen multiple people not using the potential, so they are not using. So the effect that takes place on your life is basically from surrounding, with whom you associate, with whom you accompany, with whom you hang out. That matters most. Everyone was born naked, barehanded, barefooted, having no money, no cash in the hand. Whenever you have been delivered from your mother's home, you have not brought all the tijori along with you, you know. So being born in a poor family was your choice? No, not your choice. Being born in a poor family was not your choice. But to die in the poor family is definitely your choice. Nothing to be blamed on, nothing blame goes to the God, nor to your parents, nor to anyone, nor to your surrounding, nothing. You are basically responsible for